Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the lot size in Tradingview. This is important for managing trade volume and controlling risk when placing orders. Let's get started. On your Tradingview dashboard, you might have your charts open and need to change the lot size. The first thing we need to do is insert a long position. We can find the long position by clicking on Forecasting, and here is the long position. We just need to create a long position. We can simply click here. We can place the long position anywhere we want. Here, we can see the risk and the potential gains. Once we are happy with the position, we just place it. To change the lot size, all we need to do is double-click the long position. As you can see, this is the lot size. We can change it by decreasing or increasing the value, depending on what we need. When we decrease it, the quantity also changes. For example, we can set it to 17. Once we are done, we just click OK. And that's how we change the lot size in Tradingview. With this simple adjustment, we can better manage our position sizes and improve our risk management.